We are pleased to show you the 2020 E-PACE. The Jaguar E-PACE sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-PACE is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.